Quick and easy mod for the Sirocco. Number plate surrounds with the blue rim round the black, and Volkswagen Motorsport. Alright folks, just a quick unboxing video and unwrapping. More car stuff obviously. I'll open everything and I'll show you. Here we go. First up, this is some interior trim that you put into the doors and dash and stuff. Don't know if I'll bother. Don't think I realised it was metallic. Throw that away. 2 rolls of sun strip. I've done this already, made a good arse of it since I used an ice scraper to get rid of the bubbles, which scratched the hell out of it. Made it look balls, so try again. Bought a proper scraper this time with the felt sort of front on it. And lastly but not leastly, set of DSG pedals, which I've been looking for ages. My Dyson 35 had the exact same ones and I priced them up and they were about, I think it was about £70. AliExpress £9.90 or something like that, and they took about 10 days to come. It was quite quick. This was from AliExpress, took forever, like 5 weeks or so. eBay 2 or 3 days for them. So I'll crack on. I've just got a new number plate to put on, so I'm going to try and fit this around. Don't know how that's picking that up. So take it easy folks, cheers.